evening. Hi, my name is Shannon Cowart with Tameron Hyundai. You inquired about this specific color in the Genesis. Let's get right to it, and I'm going to give you a brief overview of the automobile. When you come down, you're going to notice the beautiful fluidic body style sculpture. This has the very sporty alloy wheels. When you come in the back, you've got the really pretty beige interior outline trimmed in black. Now, if you'll notice, this particular package has the wood grain that runs through it. On the steering wheel, for safety and convenience, you've got your volume controls, your Bluetooth. Pair your phone before you drive off the lot. You've got your cruise control functions, as well as your functions here that actually toggle in your back display, keeping everything at your fingertips. This has navigation, backup camera, CD player, auxiliary, USB, AM, FM, XM. XM satellite is free for the first 3 months. This also comes equipped with the latest Blue Link telematics. I'll go more into that whenever you and I meet. But I want to tell you the most important thing. That is the America's Best warranty. You have a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. My name is Shannon Cowart. I am your personal sales associate. My personal cell is 205-907-4700. You may have me paged here at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Again, that's Shannon, 205-907-4700. Thank you so much, and here at Tameron, you're going to love the way you're treated. I appreciate you.